कितें सांगू मोगाल गोंयकारां तुमकां कितें म्हणून सांगू कितें म्हणून मी पळयता हिंगा हें पळयता खंय पावले ते आमी कितली झाडां आहा पळय कितले झाडांचो विध्वंस केला हिंगा सगळ्याच्या झाडांचो इध्वंस केला हिंगा कितल्या झाडां कातरल्या हिंगा लाखांनी हजारांचे हजार झाडां लाखांचे लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर हिंगा आख्खो साफ केला कित्याक लागून इन अ नेम ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट इन अ नेम ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट आमचो दोंगर आमची अस्मिताय आमची झाडां ऑल दीस वॉट इज हॅपनिंग रायट नाव in Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. Right now I'm standing middle of the dense forest. They have chopped down, they have this entire area. Why? In the name of development. Kohle development hub station atta hoinga कोल्हे हब स्टेशन अट्टा ये कोल्हे कंपनी अट्टा ये कोण कितें खबर हा या कंपनीन हुई इतले डिजास्टर केल्ले की लोक कॅन्सर जावन मरोंक लागलेले ओके ह्यो गजाली आयकॉन सितन आयकून ते कंपनी मरोंक लागले आता ही कंपनी येयली हिंगा ओय हांव लायव्ह हा मुगो तर ओ येस मोगाल गोंयकारांनो because network is very bad here but I just want to show you the height of the tree हे पळय सेसिल बी उबे आहा थिंगा आनी एल्ड्रिजू आहा तिची हायट पळया तुमकां दिसताले तुमकां दाखयता हांव पळय केदे व्हडले रूख केदी व्हडली झाडां कातरल्या तलुला what's the name of that company which is going to come?
So currently this is the site of the Tanmar power transmission project, and they are basically the Sterlite company. It was a cement manufacturing company which caused a lot of pollution in Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. There's a lovely movie called The Coral Woman which you must see. Okay, and we have come to know that this is the same company under the name of Tanmar. Okay, which is setting up this power station or a power substation here. You can see all the devastation. There's fragmentation of the forest. Inga akke forest katolla and sogli zonavara have become orphans in a way. Yeah, you can see it is so hot.
You know about that company which had started in Kutikaran, what happened?
So it is, I mean, there are a lot of, it is in controversy. And see what happens is when our pollution control board, they are the authorities, right, to bring
You can
to,
walk,
to keep a check on many of these industries, and this is not done, and it is at a cost of human life. Lot of workers, a lot of people, local villages who have because of the pollution of in the water, because of air pollution, lot of people have lost their lives to cancer, and this is in another place, in Tamil Nadu. And knowing the history of the company, this is the same company that has come here, right? So we need to question the intent of these companies. Is it just to create devastation? Is it just to create destruction? Or to work sustainably? There are many good models where we can work sustainably. Who is this power for? Okay, and can power come at a cost of trees that are an energy giving source? No, it cannot be.
ऐकले मरे मोगाल गोंयकारान कितें सांगूंक सोदता ते कहलो कंपनी येता हिंगा पयलीं तेंच्या नांवाचेर ऑलरेडी डिजास्टरा कॅन्सर करून मारल्या लोकांक आनी त्या सुवातेर आमचो गव्हर्मेंट दुसरें नांव करून ह्या कंपनीन हिंगा रिसायड करता कितें हाडपाक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हब करपाक कोणाक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दी सेसील बाय गोई
कोणाक ती लोकांक खंय
नो what's the reason now what you feel while looking at all these 1,000 trees that have been cut down
this
here?
is a substation. This is not even where the power line is coming. It's substation and where they've got permission for residential also. I mean, how? Without taking panchayat approval, without having a signatures done of the secretary of the panchayat, I believe only the sarpanch has directly signed. The secretary has not signed. So who is approving this? I mean, today getting the kids down here and seeing even the kids saying that it's hot. I wish the trees were there, and there were homes for so many animals, creatures, insects, and that's how you can see all the gourds, all the wild animals from here are entering into Sangaud village and eating their dogs and cats because they are outside sometimes. And we are creating inconvenience for our own human beings, for us Goans. It's right inside from the main road. It's like, I think so, just a 5 minutes drive, and this is what it is. I mean, I've seen videos and stuff like that, but seeing it in reality just breaks my heart, man. Just breaks my heart.
आम्ही कितें
Now I
करूंक
know
शकता
what are we fighting for now?
या आता आमच्या मोतीन हो क्लियर पॉइंट जालो आमी कोणा पासून झगडटा ही माय भूमी ही देव भूमी आमच्या पुर्वजांनी आमकां पळय दिल्लेली हा आमच्या पुर्वजांनी आमकां राख म्हणो कित्याक कित्याक आमचे हे प्राण राखता कित्याक ह्या मिनिस्टराक बोगर बोगर खंय भुरग्याक खंय एक्सप्लेन करचें पडटा कित्याक तुमी भुरगे ना रे सायबा तुमी दूध पिना रे तुमच्या आवयच्या आजुनी व्हडले जाल्या रे तुमी बरें एक टायमाची तोकली ना सजमताली तोकली हा मरे आमच्या पुर्वजांनी कितें दिवन गेल्या आमकां ही जमीन दिवन गेल्या हें रान दिवन गेलां हें रान कातरून तुमी कितें करूंक सोदता रे कोणाचें डेव्हलपमेंट आनी तो कितें म्हणटा रे निलेश काब्राल ना ते व्हडले हब हाडटा हुंय ते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावोवपाक एका तेका माय
To come here.
मायच्या घोवाक पावया ती कितें रे सायबा हें ही पळय रे मात पुणी सजमत तुमकां रान आतां हे मिनिस्टराचें म्हणून ब्लेम करून कांय फायदो ना पळय पळय हा पळय काय बरें उलयता पळय मिनिस्टराचें आतां सजमा आतां मिनिस्टर आहले मिनिस्टर तसले मिनिस्टर भाणकोचे ग्रिडी बरें हा आतां त्यो गजाली सायडीक ठेवया आतां म्हाका सांगा रे कित्याक ते भिता रे हेंकां तुमी तुजे हाय ऑथॉरिटीज हा पळय त्या सेंट्रलाकसून तुमकां हें धाडटा पळय ऑर्डरी धाडटा तांकां कित्याक भिता रे तुमी हा आनी वडील म्हणटा घरचे तुमी हा तेंचे वडील म्हणटा तुमी कसले वडील कसले लेसन दिता कसले सब्जेक्ट करता तुमी कसले कसले म्हणो तुमी एक मॉडेल जाता ह्या फ्युचराक what sort of model what you're creating for the future what you're trying to be at the future be corrupt politician and that is how you're portraying yourself to the people and giving the permissions to cut all these trees look at man what you have done middle of the jungle middle of nowhere in this forest Bhagwan Mahavir and this is what you have finished and I really work now is the message is clear save Molem is what save Molem is this look if you see around it's thick dense jungle and in middle of that they have not spared a single tree look at this big patch केदो व्हडलो पॅच हांव न्हू कितले मोगाल गोंयकारांनी पळयला तो कितले लोकांनी पळयला तो खबर ना म्हाका मात पळय तुमचे काळीज रडटलें कित्याक रोगताचो वास येता सुक्या रोगताचो रोगत कातरून मरे झाडां कातरून मरे आमची सुकोवन दवरले हिंगा ही कोणाक हाय लागतली the people whoever involved in during this pandemic moment where all the polices were hammering the people in keeping social distancing and so forth and what you all were doing what the government was doing they were deciding the massacre and this disaster आमची ही माय भूमी हे देव भूमीचे लागून ही आख्खे कातरून काबार केला पळय हे पळयला मरे ही रियालिटी जावन हा आनी कितें जालें 60th सेलिब्रेशनाक आमी बरे भाशेन बसलेली कित्याक लागून सेलिब्रेट करपाक आनी फक्त एक दोग जाणांनी मोलेम सेव मोलेम टी शर्ट घायले म्हणून अरेस्ट केले आनी कितें सोजमले तुमकां आनी कितें सोजमले पुलिसांनी हे मिनिस्टरांक कित्याक रे भिता तुमी कित्याक लागून भिले रे आमकां तुमी हे ते पळयात रे काय बरो जंगल पळय रे आय गे म्हजे माय
And we got detained, right?
आनी आमकां अरेस्ट केले हे पळय ते सगळे भुरगे आहले पळय थिंगा ते सगळे भुरग्यांनी विटनस केला तेजे मांयक अरेस्ट केले तुमी तो रडटालो हाजो चेडो मात पूण चुरचुरे करूंक ना ओ PI ओ PSI ओ हवालदार तुमी हात घातला एटलीस्ट म्हाका हात घायला तुमी हा आनी बायलांनी हेका ते बायलाचे चुरचुरे दिसताले दोज कॉन्स्टेबल्स हू अरेस्टिंग दे हॅव नो अदर ऑप्शन because they were purely governed by the authority.
There was one of the police lady over there who said, "Ma'am, I also have a 2-year-old son, and I know what you're going through, but we are just following orders."
पहिला मरे ती एकली लेडी कॉन्स्टेबलान एका धरताना सांगले आपल्या तोंडान आपणाकूय 2 वर्साचो चेडो आनी आपणाकूय तुजें दूख सजमता तुज्या आवयच्या फुडल्यान धाकटुऱ्या भुरग्याच्या फुडल्यान तेज्या आवयक अरेस्ट करून व्हरता आता कित्याक सांगता बा मोगाल गोंयकारांनो आतां तुमी स्टोरी आयकता तुमकां बरें दिसता ही स्टोरी सांगता ती सगल्यो आनी एंटरटेन करता आनी खूब जाणटले वा वा व्हेरी गूड जॉब पळय आय रियली वॉन्ट टू टेल यू ऑल व्हेरी सिरियसली ह्या झाडाच्या फुडल्यान तुमकां ह्या झाडाच्या फुडल्यान हांव साक्षी करता आनी म्हज्या काळजान सांगता तुमची शाबासकी आनी तुमचें पळय मोटिवेशन आहा थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर दॅट बट हें गरज ना म्हाका फकत इतलीच गरज आहा तुमच्या वाटेनसून तुमी कितें कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट करता ह्या मादर नेचराक बिकॉज तिका तुजी आतां गरज तुमी प्राण घेवन येदी व्हडली जाली भायल्या गांवांनी गेली द मेसेज गोज आउट टू ऑल द डायस्पोरा अक्रॉस द ग्लोब वॉट आर यू थिंकिंग रायट नाव एंड वॉट इज द फर्स्ट एक्ट गोना डू फॉर एक्झाम्पल द कॅलिफोर्निया हॅज मेड such a beautiful video in protecting, preserving and restoring of the nature. You have seen that California video. Now that is something very motivational and that is something very inspirational. So come back and poyat. Now I'm getting into shade. Look at this. This is the sun. You can see the brightness, and this is the shade. You can feel the light contrast. Look, this is the light, and this is the shade, and this is our prana, this is our life, this is our lungs, this is our oxygen, this is our energy and the connection of Goa. And when you get connection of Goa, you can. Oh yes, so I was telling you all, oh nature कहो आमचो प्राण, आमची प्राणा आमकां हेल्प करता सर्वाइव करपाक. Simple गजाल्यो कित्याक granted घेता आमी, कित्याक आमचो उस्कारो granted घेता. Why are we taking our breath for granted? I don't understand one fundamental reason about people. What has happened to their consciousness, their subconsciousness? Why are we not talking about our consciousness mind, what is naturally given to us, a simplicity of life to live, than getting mad and greedy for that money? And this is all happening because of money, not for development. Mark my words, not for development. If you actually do your research and what project is coming up here, which is not necessary needed for our Goan lifestyle at all. What is needed is a good Goenkar pond, which is right now, it's been lost. This has been lost. I want to show you all over and over and over and over and over again the same thing. Same thing again and again. See how you all feel. Just tell me the first glance what you get out of the thick jungle. The thick jungle. And you enter here. Just see the difference, huh? The thick jungle. Hey, look at this tree. Hey, wow, look at this tree. Hey, look at this tree. It's pregnant.
It's quite a unique tree. Look at that bulb.
My God, look at this tree. Look at this magic and mystics of this tree. Look. हे पळय रे झाड. हे कोणाचे तोंड कशें दिसता मरे झाडाचें. Yes, my beautiful people, आमी आतां भुरग्यांक लागून अवेअरनेस करपाक तलुलान सेसिलान आपली भुरगीं हाडलेली दाखोवंक हिंगा दाखोवंक हाडलेली क्रिएट अवेअरनेस. ही आमची झाडां सावडेन पळय, सावडेन तूं उबो रावंक शकता, ह्या वोतान तूं उबो रावंक शकना. Oh, this is Faligoms to you all the way from Bhagwan Mahavir. आमचे वायल्ड लायफ, आमची लंग्स, आमचे ऑक्सिजन, आमचे जिवीत, आमची अमृताय, आमचे हे धारण जंगल, हे गोंयकारपणाचे निसर्ग, हे आमची अस्मिताय, ही आमची हेरिटेज, हे आमचे लायफ तुमकां दाखोवंक हाडलेले मोगाल गोंयकारांनो. देव बरें करूं वन्स अगेन. आनी वहोत मोग आनी मोयपा शेअर करूया आनी आमचे गोंय राखपाक वावुरया एकठांय. देव बरें करूं.